Okay. All right. So we have Monday, a couple hours into trading here coming up. All right. So last week, little gold move. I think it was anywhere from like $5 to $1,800 or $1,300 somewhere in there. I'm coming back here again. I'd have to look at a larger picture here. Here's my pitchfork. I believe what it was is there was a reversal here. So what are we talking? I think it was 68 or somewhere in there. 68 to try to get up to there. So it worked. I believe silver was in on it too. Now we're back to this. So here it's either way. It's 50-50. So I'll pass on that. It was just a short run, right? Oh, got all of these again. Pre-production, Kevin. Pre-production. Remember? I'll skip hogs anyway. Okay, come on. Hurry up about it. Oh, come on. Alright, time to show a few of these off. Alright, what is happening? Okay, oops. Alright, that works. Okay, Natty Gas. Okay, so Natty, they dipped below the happy place here, and we're working on the upside. It's one of those things that the seasonal, right? Come on. You're killing me, Smalls. Alright, that's a daily. That's right. Okay. I don't like you either. Okay, so it banged off up in here at 310 or whatever, right? Can you see that? Alright, so we banged off resistance level on here. One of the little computer things says that Natty Gas is actually going to pull back on here, so that would be probably the whole cup and handle type deal. Not a lot of volume as of now, but you still have some more of the day to go. Plus, you have to get people interested in it too. So I'm going to assume that the pros will support the pullback on here. Anywhere it looks like a possibility of a 10-cent pullback. Possibility. Okay, what do we have? How about this one? That works too. That's much nicer. Okay, so here's 5. So 5 cents off the high, and then any of the moving averages. Here's a SAR kind of thing. So that works. So we're just, like I said, support Natty Gas. Okay, NASDAQ is banging off the top up in here. Whoops. Oh, stupid mouse. So it's a breakout, a retest is basically what we're working on. Very shallow, so they're getting kind of frothy on the NASDAQ type stuff. I haven't looked at the numbers internally on these futures, but I posted the Qs. Okay, Palladium. Alright, you're sticky up here at 1,000. Kind of weird. Canadian dollar comes down, oil still stays up, but that's probably forward contracts. And then you have palladium, but it's thin platinum going the other way. So I wonder if there's a play of palladium, a failure here, like 1,020 to 1,040. Okay, here is gasoline. Alright. So palladium, here's gasoline. Kind of extended in the shallow. Where are we at? October, November. So we're gouging for Thanksgiving travel. That's basically what we're doing. Gouge. Alright, Ultra Bonds, here we go. Alright, we picked them up down here. I think it's somewhere I was looking for halfway, the next swing to get out, but they're still marching on. How our bonds going up in oil and all that other stuff. So today I play Pony Boy. Monday and Tuesdays I play Mutual Manager. Like I said, the unforeseen. So, but think about it this way: I'm actually working at a book. I mean, that would be like being a secret shopper at a fair or carnival kind of thing, right? Ooh, let me try this cotton candy. Let me try. Give me that funnel cake. And then, of course, oh, geez, I got to go to Six Flags or whatever. I think they're still in business. So Ultra Bonds and stuff. Now I'm going to have to look. Remember, seasonally here, money goes into the system for the shopping season. So this is kind of like, I was concerned about the Canadian dollar and oil breaking out, but it looks like there was a 4-month lag. Fixed futures, I have to find out when they expire, if they expire this week or next week. It's banging off the bottom down here, like I said before, the world famous, buy it, whatever, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. What's the low on the VIX? 8, whatever. We discussed this before. YM, okay, the Dow poked on through and came back. Alright, so it's all about, give it a couple days. There's regular bonds. I'll just say, let's mark this down as short. Short. Not really short, early take profits. 04. Short, and take profits. I only want it halfway, but that's why I buy in thirds, take profits. Because one, if you got a winner, I think short and fade 153. So we're at 154. Okay, so I did write that down. All right, so this was short and fade 153. So we came up to 153 and came back. Now up further. Okay, take profits. I have to look at a big picture on this one here because this one basically moved twice as far. 153. How far up did it go? And then it came back. 152. You basically got a quarter point off of that one. And one, yeah, that was the numbers for what you call it. So now we're coming back here. Okay, corn pass for now. Meal for next year. This was a seasonal play here. I'll have to figure out how long you hold this for. I'll have to update that portfolio. Notes. Okay, I wrote short in here. This was ahead of time, and short again over here. Wow, I actually had some insight. All right, beaners pass for now, but they're pressing, so we have South America. I have to figure in that plus harvest here, planting whatever, blah blah blah. Twos, weedy 430. Okay, all right, I have to check that out. Back to A. Looks like a bear flag. Commodities coming down. My pick is, besides the British pound and Mexican dollar for their best bets for 2017, I also like long British pound, short Kiwi, New Zealand dollar. I just think, let me think this one through here. The Canadian dollar here, I thought it was going to replay of the same pattern from 88 to 92? 86 to 92. It's a 6-year pattern. I think it got to like 86 somewhere, upper mid 80s. And I think we banged off 80 something here. So I'll have to take a look at the bigger picture because I posted about dollar and oil. The euro came off of 120 to 122, I think it was, and then off of a low of 104. So I think that this is it for now, because the dollar, interest rates, and everything else. We have oil breaking out, so it's just numbers in general. Okay, so that was long in the pullback on the yen. It did stretch down to here, so now we'll get to see if it comes back through here. I don't have much time. Mexican peso. This isn't buying any weakness. Here's the Kiwi. Oh, this is different. It's a 4-hour chart. Alright, so these are different than what I posted earlier. Okay, Swiss franc. Kind of went after that one. It didn't follow through. That was going into, it did fake breakout there. Failure. Oil. Okay, so Brent and stuff. I'm watching for some sort of reversal on here. An extension. It extends, but the angle of ascent is increasing, but I don't think this is a logged chart. Regular crude, so you're banging off of that, so I'd be kind of interested if you are long to write some options against that, just protection. ES breaking out again. I think it rode around 92. If you're long, you do covered call writing, like 2600. People are going to think that 2600 is going to be a given. It's just a number. And then we're back to gold. All right, I'll leave that at that, and then I'll talk to you all in about 90 minutes. Bye.